Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create a newsletter with Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the newsletter in Canva, first of all what you need to do, you have to log in into your Canva account, and after that you can simply search for the newsletter here. As you can see here, so let's click here, and here you will be able to see the bunch of different templates for the newsletter. Alright, so let's just choose any template from here. So for example, we want to create the newsletter for our tech company or something else. Okay, so for the tutorial, I would go here with this template. And in here, I'll simply click on the customize this template. So here, as you can see here, that we have a simple looking newsletter here. So we can simply customize this with our own material here. Okay, so first of all, let's just change the background color here. Okay, so to change the background color, I'll simply click here and you will be able to see the colors here. So from here I can simply change the background color. Okay, so let's click here, and I would actually go here a kind of, okay, so I think I should go here with this color, and after that I would like to change the text color here. Okay, so for the text I'll simply click on the text, and after that let's click on the text color here, and from here we can simply change our text color. Okay, so let's click here and you will be able to see the change in the color. So if you want to change the text color of the whole newsletter, you can simply click on change all here, and it would actually change the color of your whole newsletter here. In the similar way, we can change the color of these elements here. Okay, so these would be kind of gray color or maybe white color. Okay, so let's select both of these elements here by holding the shift key, and now let's just change the color of these elements. So this would be white color again, and this would be white color again. Okay, so in the similar way, I think I should go here with any other color, maybe a darker color here, or we can also go here with the gradient. You can see here we have this beautiful looking gradient. Okay, so this is looking really great here. After changing the background color and the text color, we can simply change the images here. So as we know that our newsletter is kind of related to the text, so let's just try to add any picture that is related to the text. Okay, so let's go inside the elements here, and in the elements let's just write down take here and go for the photos. All right, okay, so I'll simply go here with this picture. So let's drag this and put this here, and similar way we can change this image as well. Okay, so for that let's just go here with this one. Okay, so this is looking fine now, and in the similar way we can change the text here. Okay, so it's about the new product, so let's just write down new product of our company. Okay, so let's increase the size here, or we can also decrease the font size here. Okay, so this is looking better. All right, so now let's click on the heading here again. So this would be about product. Okay, in the similar way we can change the text here, as you can see here, but at the moment we have this dummy text. Okay, so we can also create another newsletter for our product here. Okay, so for that let's just click on the design and go here with the newsletters. Okay, so let's just find here the newsletter that could be related to the technology. Okay, so this newsletter is looking fine, so let's click here. Okay, so let's add the page here, and I want to add this on the new page. Let's just add the another page of our newsletter. So let's click here again, add as a new page, and you will be able to see our newsletter here, but this newsletter actually has the two pages. Okay, so we can simply change the text here. All right, so first of all let's just change the colors here. So I actually want to go here with the blue color. Okay, a dark blue color, or maybe this one, not really. Okay, so this is looking fine. Now I would need to change the text color here. Okay, so here for the text color I would actually need the light color, so that can be the white color or the gray color. Okay, so I think white color is looking fine. Let's just change all text color here. All right, and we also have this color, so let's just change the color here as well. That would be white again. Let's just change these text color as well. And these as well. Okay, so now we have changed the text color here, but we also have to change the color of this line here. So let's click here and we have to ungroup the values here. And now I can select this line here. Okay, so let me just zoom it in and click on the line here. Change the color to maybe white or gray. We can go here with the gray. So let's zoom out. And now what we need to do, we have to change the color of this logo or this element. So that would be a gray color. Okay, so let's click on the change all and you will be able to see we have changed both of the colors here. Okay, so now what we can do here, I want to change the text color here. So here what I want to do here, I actually want to change the title here. So that would be new product of VB company. And we can also change the text in the similar way here, but I don't want to change any text here. Okay, and in the similar way we can design this second here. Okay, so let's select the first page of our second newsletter. So let's just press the Control A and you will be able to select all the elements of our second newsletter. So now do the right click and you will be able to see copy style here. Now what we need to do, we just have to click on the second page of our second newsletter. Okay, so now let's change the color of our second page. So that would be this color again, and we need to change the text color, change all, and we need to change the color of the image. Okay, so that is it, I guess. Okay, so we have changed the color of the text and the background of our second newsletter. So now is the time to change the image here. Okay, so let's just go here in the elements, search for software product. Okay, so let's just pick this image from here and paste it here, and let's just search the second image here again. So that would be this one. Okay, so now let's just drag and drop this and you will be able to see our second image here. Okay, so this is how we can create the newsletter in the Canva with the help of pre-made templates. Okay, you don't have to design everything from the scratch. And if you want to create the newsletter for any other thing, you can simply do it. All you need to do is to click on the design, and here let's go back and we have the newsletter. And in the newsletter, as you can see this, we have the email newsletter, we have the school newsletter, and we have the classroom newsletter. And you can also see we have a bunch of different options here. You can simply create the newsletter for any kind of the business here, whether it could be the clothing brand, or it could be the real estate, or it could be the technology, or any restaurant. And you can see here we also have the fabric standards, and you can see here we have the tailor, we have the paradise, and we have the newsletter for the art exhibition, and we have the newsletter for the fashion, we have it for the modeling. So you can simply create the newsletter for any kind of the business from the Canva without doing a lot of the work. All you need to do is to select the template according to your product or according to your business. Then what you can do is you just customize the colors and the text and the images according to your business. So this is how you can do it. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.